Hi everyone, today we are demonstrate the EBOO ozone IV therapy. IV ozone, everybody happens what correct dose, ideal dose, optimal dose. So we are successing in the EBOO technique. EBOO is extracorporeal blood oxygenation ozonization. So if you see the technique, you can see the cylinder from B type oxygen cylinder. So with the oxygen concentration or the supply by the IAOS, Indian Association of Orthopedic Surgeon. So this is a standard machine we are doing. This is a peristaltic pump. We have seen. So we have get two axes of the venous axis. You can see the 1 and 2. One is the donor, another is recipient. You see this. So here we take this. First step is we use a heparinized saline. So prime all the tubes. You can see, and we have a tube, blood donor tube. So it comes and we rotate this machine, peristaltic pump.
Yes.
This will move. We have a setting the pressure pump. So it is pushing under this filter, that is IAOS filters. So it is non-plastic, non-renal EBOO filter by the IAOS. So you can see the difference. So once it is going, again this ozone also going, we have a metal cannula inside diffuser, bubbling inside as there. So what is the A stage? You see that what are the A stages? Like a B2 microglobulin, waste proteins, okay, toxins, calcium oxalate, triglyceride, excessive all this toxin material is doing neutralization, catching out.
It is separating from the blood column.
Yeah, it's separating and
it's getting out.
Because of separating, you can see this color come. This is the, you can accept. You see this venous blood. Both are venous blood only.
Yes.
So whatever we are taking donor blood, you see the color. Whatever after ozonization, after filtration of diffuser, you can see the tomato red color.
Yes.
So that is the evidence. That is the evidence for the EBOO technique, IV ozone. It's a very safe. Only thing you can see very safe. You can see nothing, no more complication. Everybody is apprehensive of embolization. You can see very closed system. Embolization, very rare chance, and the people are thinking of the infection also because no blood coming outside. Not we are taking an injection. We are not pushing. We are not collecting any container. That is the game changer in the EBOO. So for whom patient selection condition, yes, there are lot of indications we are doing for the detoxification, immune boosting, wellness treatment, anti-aging. You can see, and energy, yeah, the immune boosting, energy, everything. So we have seen this. Why we are getting EBOO? Because biological age, chronological age not matching this generation. So if you see the biological age, it's like a 50, chronological 40 years. Because of you are seeing the adulteration food, you are seeing the pollution air. So all this stress, we are causing harmful toxins in the body. So that is the technique we are using the EBOO. It's a training, we have a conducting training across the India. You can join, we'll share knowledge, we can get trained and you can do your patient. We have seen the happy patient. We have seen so many patients coming from other state for the lot of ethnic area, skin problem, even liver detoxification. It's not the EBOO, you can do the rectal ozone, vaginal infection, recurrent vaginal infection. Also you can see this. That is the use of the EBOO. So thank you for all the delegates. We came here from across India and keep it up. Future will also do a lot of workshop. We'll update ourselves. We'll do better for our service. Thank you. We are done this IV ozone therapy workshop at Ozone Hospital. Ozone workshop at Ozone Hospital. So everybody is confused.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
By
So
doctor.
with Shankar Naik, and I know we are doing a lot of workshop, cosmetic gynec, male sexual dysfunction, IV drips. So we are doing even the facial regeneration. So we have a next case facial regeneration. So things are changing. We should update. It's not the patient. We have some clients and customer. We have to give a good quality of life for them. Thank you.